Hi, and welcome to How to Make a Google Calendar. My name is Kristen Lewinga, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about how you can use Google Calendar to keep your life really organized. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to www.google.com or Google's homepage. And if you already have a free Gmail account, you can click the sign in link. If you do not, it's really easily, you could hit the sign up link. I'm going to sign in under my name. And then I'm going to go to, along the top bar, Google Calendar. When you click the calendar link, you're going to see that I actually already have a couple calendars made, but you can go to Create, or you can go to My Calendars and you can click down and you could hit Create New Calendar. When you hit Create New Calendar, you can add things. For example, I'm going to do a school stuff calendar. This is going to show all the stuff that I have to do for school. So this is going to be my NVD upcoming meetings and events. You can add a description, you can add a location. I already know exactly where I'm going to be, at my high school. You can make this calendar public, which means it can appear as a search result if people search it on the internet, or you could share it with specific people. I could send it to my colleagues by just typing in their email address right here. Once you're ready, you can click Create Calendar. Now your calendar is created. You're going to see in a moment that it's going to pop up with my other stuff. Here's my school stuff calendar. Now, if you look to the right up at the top, you can see that you can view everything that's coming up in terms of by day, appointments that you have, by week, or as I like to view it, by month. Now, what you're seeing right here looks like a lot of stuff because it has my other calendars that I've already created already up there with all my events. So you can, if you were to click in either of these colors, you can get rid of my other calendars, and you can see for my first calendar that I just made, or for I should say my new calendar I just made with school stuff, all that's going to be up there are national holidays. If you want to add anything, all you're going to do is create. You could quick add something real quick, or you could click create and it's going to bring you to adding a new event. So one of the big things I have for school is I have an IEP meeting, and I have that on a specific date. It's going to be next Wednesday, and it's going to start at 11:30 a.m. It's going to be not a full hour, it's only going to be 30 minutes. Now, this is actually a meeting that I'm going to choose to repeat because every month I'm going to have the exact same meeting. We're going to have it the same day, which is going to be on the same day of the month, the 3rd, and it's only going to repeat, or I should say, I guess you could say when it ends. I'm going to leave it never, that it never ends, but really it's going to probably be done by the end of the school year. Where is it going to be? It's going to be in a conference room, J212, and I'm going to keep it on my school stuff calendar. You could choose to add it to either of your other calendars. I'm going to keep my event color the same color as my school calendar, and I could add guests if I wanted to add email addresses so that they know when it is. But once you're done, you just hit save and it's going to pop right up, my IEP meeting. If I click on it, it'll give me my details, where it is and who it was created by. In this case, obviously me. Now, if I were to add my other calendars back in, you can see when things are going to overlap. You can see if you have anything that's more top priority than others. Okay, but in general, Google Calendars are really free and really easy and organized way to view what's coming up. If you were to scroll, you could scroll month to month and see big things that are coming up in the future. But to be honest with you, the thing that I like best about Google Calendar is how easily and readily available all of my meetings, dates, and activities are. Let's sum up just quickly Google Calendar, how to use it and why to use it. One, we want to keep our life organized. So the only easy step-by-step process. 1, sign in and/or sign up for an account at gmail.com or google.com. 2, click the calendar link along the top bar. Create so that you can make a new calendar or add a new event. You can color code or highlight events under the edit menu, and you can change from day to week to month screens for easy viewing of events. In general, I think this is probably the greatest way to stay organized and stay up to date with everything that you're going to do. Have fun!